up, they won't let me out. They won't let me out, I'm locked up, they won't let me out, no, they won't let me out. I always tell myself that I can't go to jail or prison because reason one, I always think of my career, my future. You know, sometimes people piss me the hell off and I just want to smack the shit out of them. Or people have disrespected me to the point where I know they deserve to beat down, face kicked in, and everything. They deserve it, trust me. And then I have to consistently remind myself, like, Rosetta, you have your career. When you're in your career, you don't want to look back and be like, damn, this is some dumb shit that I did and I let somebody get my energy out of me and get that negativity out of me. Or I beat somebody ass and I don't even get the chance to experience my career. So I tell myself, Rosetta, you can't go to jail because of your career. Number two, the reason why I can't go to jail or prison, because I don't like people telling me what the fuck to do. You're not going to tell me when to wake up, when to shit, when to eat. You're not going to tell me what to do. I'm not losing that freedom, having nobody boss me around. I'm not beat. And number three, I'm broke. I'm too fucking broke to be going to prison, jail. Like, if I were to unfortunately do something or be caught up in the wrong place at the wrong time, and if I get locked up, I'd be able to, you know, have someone be able to post my bail me out, post my bond, whatever. I'd like to be able, God forbid, like that, God forbid, if I'm ever caught up in a situation, I need money. I need money to make sure that I can get the fuck out and don't have to be there long. If I unfortunately have to go to trial or whatever, I still got my little freedom, can walk around because I've been bailed out. I'm too fucking broke to go to jail or prison. Like, no, I need to be the fuck out. I need to be, you know, free. I don't want to have to be sitting up there waiting and So I'm too broke to go to jail or prison. I need that money. So God forbid, my good Lord, like I said, God forbid, if I ever end up in a situation where I'm about to go to jail or prison, wrong place, wrong time, like I got somewhere I can hit up one of my siblings, like, hey, yo, sis, that debit card I gave you just in case of an emergency, this is it. Come here, bail me the fuck out, because I'm not staying. But guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That what? Hit that bell. So you can get my notifications. And happy Friday. What? It's Friday. Happy Friday. Whoop. It's Friday. Look it up. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Until next time, bye.